we are taught to, or we are conditioned to be like, yeah, guys, boys are funny, girls are pretty. And it seems like such a flippant thing, but it's taught to us since from the beginning, right? Like hasi to fasi, or like like just make a laugh. Like, oh, boys have the freedom that they're given, that you go to play, you're not called back at a certain point unless you have to study. There is no safety issue. So your brain is never thinking ki, oh, if I'm doing this, these are my risks. But if you tell a girl she has to go from A to B, she will think of 1,000 risks. 2 days back, I ordered sabji to my house. The man has brought sabji. I feel like I have so much power in my life. And I'm showing him a screenshot of the payment I have made. He is taking pictures of my boobs, Bharadwaj. And I'm like, brother, what?
What?
The audacity. I pay rent for this house और तू मेरी picture खींच रहा है. मुझे तेरी picture खींचनी चाहिए because this is my house and my rules. But like imagine the audacity.
Yeah.
In that situation also, he had more power than me. And this inequality, which is so subtle, it puts you a few steps back. It takes you to reach your 1,000-seater. It takes time for you to do that. Or like it takes time for you to get to the 2,000, because my brain is also very risk, like oh, what's the risk? If I'm putting up a show in NMACC for 2,000 people, what if people don't come? Then that failure is just horrible. And I know it's internal also. Like the one good thing that I take from men is men really know how to take risks. They really know how to bet on themselves. अरे मैं कर दूंगा यार, अरे करके देखते हैं, viral हो जाऊंगा मैं. This attitude is so exciting in men, and I've taken this leap from men only when I'm like, no, I want to take that bet कि कर लेंगे यार. तो 2,000 seater ना, we'll try it. So this attitude, it's taken me some time to arrive at. So I wish I could have been, I could have filled 1,000 seater faster, or
No, but
you know, like
I
that.
think every journey takes its whatever. It's each person's journey.
Exactly,
right?
yeah. But it
So-
is, I do think that the journey, it's very simple. Like on stage, I cannot cuss as much as other male comics can. Some words of cussing don't sound nice from me.
Barmer Lorien Company Limited, a Government of India enterprise, one-stop shop for all your travel needs.